the Marine Corps. I'm lethal from 3,000 miles off the eastern seaboard. Colder than Treebor mints. Mean or K people, step away from the keyboard. I wanna see your heads bopping seesaw up and down to speed and you're reeling from the G-force. Give me a vehicle, a BMD or Super Hornet troop to fall in uniform. Superiors are fearful, I'm really fearful. Saline solution slide from my eyes at the same time I'm shooting. So maybe I should just let a Beretta do the talking. Cause after all, you're a dead man walking. I walk in, pull out my M1014 and end all these porkies and tall stories with the ease of a nuclear attack. I shout, look behind you and shoot you in the back. Suited up in flak jackets, flashbanging, leaving claymores in your pack. Need I say more? This is the battlefield, where if you lack the skill, then your cap will peel back like an apple peel twat in the battlefield. If you lack the skill, then your cap will peel like an apple peel, so grab the steel. You're a super soaker, I'm a super cobra, souping up my guns till I become a supernova. I'll take you to the moon and over like a lunar rover. I've got a new limo, and so are you the chauffeur. I'm a human Yoda, no, a new Jehovah. I do my flows with the devotion of a Jew to kosher. So I shoot the charcuter and do him over. I'll do to you what you see me do to sober. I straight flush you like a full suit in poker and mutilate you, leave you looking like you're doing yoga.